Hi everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial video on Trillion Trees FORMAPP. I'm Diane and today let's talk a bit about some tips for using Cybertracker. If you watched my previous videos, then you should have installed the site mapping and the survival monitoring form in your Cybertracker app. And if they don't appear, you can still add them by clicking on the plus button here, then going to Trillion Trees and enter your username here to select the forms to download. And let's come back to the list of projects. So when I'm in the field and I want to collect data, I can click on one of those forms and I see all the forms that are all the survey that I've started or completed with this form. And I can change here the form settings. I can, for example, change the language if I want to. And then I can go back at the top left here. To start a new survey, I can click on the button New and then select my answers. And sometimes the questions will automatically go to the next one after I select one option. And if they don't, you can use the arrows at the bottom to move in the questionnaire. The button in the middle here shows you all the questions of the form. And you can scroll down to see everything. And you can come back here with an arrow to come back to the form. And this little button with the house here takes you back to the home page of this form. You can update a project here in the list of form by doing a long click on it, and then it gives you some options for this particular form. So you can update the form in case there is a new version. You can reset the project, you can reset the entire form, or you can also reset the data, and you can delete the project. Be careful with this, because if you delete the project before submitting the forms, then the data will disappear. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.